What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your Windows Terminal app look more refreshed and modern. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, let's access the Windows Terminal. Right-click on the Windows icon located in the taskbar. Once the terminal window is open, you'll notice a downward-facing arrow on the top left corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, we're in the settings, and the first thing we'll tackle is in the basic appearance. Navigate to the Appearance tab. Here, you can play around with various options to tweak the look of your Windows terminal. Adjust these settings to match your desired preference. This sets the foundation for the aesthetics of your terminal. With the foundation set, let's add some color. Move to the Color Schemes tab. You'll find multiple preset color schemes. Choose the one that appeals to you. But if you're like me and want something more personalized, don't worry, we've got you covered. For those wanting a unique touch, let's create a custom color scheme. Click on Add New and a simple editor window will pop up. Here, you can set specific colors for the background, foreground and other elements. Once you're satisfied with your selections, scroll down and click on Rename Color Scheme. Give your custom scheme a unique name and hit Save. Now, let's apply this masterpiece. Go back to the Color Schemes tab, and you'll see your custom scheme listed. To apply it, head to the Profile section. For demonstration purposes, we'll use PowerShell. Click on it. Scroll to find the Appearance option, and here you'll see the Color Scheme option. A drop-down menu will show you all available schemes. Select your custom one and hit Save. And there you have it. Your Windows terminal now boasts a fresh and personalized look, reflecting your unique style. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.